Hello, in this lecture, we will start with the ROS installation. Let us visit the ROS installation page. Before proceeding, I want you to notice the website name wiki.ros.org. This website is an official one and we will be visiting this website multiple times in this course. Now let us proceed to this page. Here you can see that the ROS installation page presents different ROS versions named ROS Kinetic, ROS Melodic and ROS Noetic. ROS releases a new version almost every year, and here is the list of all the versions released until October 2020. Also, these ROS versions are officially supported on a specific version of Ubuntu operating system. So, for example, if you plan to use ROS Kinetic, then you should have Ubuntu 16 installed in your PC. The next question is, how do we choose which ROS version to install? If you are a beginner, I would always recommend you to go for the LTS or long-term support version because those versions are much stable than the non-LTS versions. The next thing you should look for is that you want to have the most recent and mature ROS version installed in your PC. By mature, I mean that a version that is relatively new and also at least 9 to 12 months old. From this list, we can see that the ROS Melodic is one of the most recent LTS versions and is also 2 years old. ROS Noetic, on the other hand, is a recently released version and therefore you might not get enough help if you run into trouble while using it. Due to all these reasons, I recommend you to install the ROS Melodic version on top of Ubuntu 18. Now let us proceed to the installation part. Here you can see the list of all the OS supported by ROS Melodic. Corresponding to Ubuntu 18 or Bionic, you can see that the most popular Intel and AMD processor architecture is supported. Besides these, the single board computers such as Raspberry Pi, BeagleBone Black and NVIDIA Jetson devices also supports ROS. Here we will select the Ubuntu operating system and proceed to the ROS Melodic installation. The ROS installation process consists of 4 sub-processes. Firstly, we need to set up our computer to download the software from the ROS repository. After that, we need to download and install the compiled ROS executables from that repository. In the third step, we will download and install some of the helper tools to ease our development experience. And in the fourth step, we need to set up the ROS environment. Let us go through these sub-processes one by one in the next lecture. Thank you.